Welcome to Our Daily Health. Water retention. 10 home remedies for water retention. Did you know the human body comprises 60% of water? Water is essential in helping your body function properly, and it's responsible for the absorption of nutrients and expelling toxins. When your body fails to eliminate excess water, it's known as water retention, also called edema or fluid retention. This problem occurs in the tissues or the circulatory system. When fluid retention isn't due to a medical condition, it can be relieved quickly through home remedies. Here are signs of edema. Number 1. Swollen extremities. The most apparent symptom of water retention is swelling on your feet, legs, hands, and ankles. You can also have a swollen stomach. Number 2. Difficulty losing weight. Another indication of edema is difficulty in losing weight with diet changes. You can also experience weight gain within a short time. Number 3. Indentation on skin. One way to know if you're retaining water is to press your foot or ankle using your thumb gently. If you're suffering from water retention, the indentation will show on your skin. Number 4. Puffiness on hips, face, and abdomen. When you notice puffiness on your face and hips, chances you're suffering from fluid retention. Also, you may experience bloating, stiff joints, and headaches. Hormonal changes, plane flights, and excessive salt intake are some of the causes of fluid retention. When there's an imbalance in your hydration levels, your body hangs onto that water. If you're looking for natural ways to alleviate edema, stay right here. Water retention. 10 home remedies for water retention. Number 1. Reduce your salt intake. Salt consists of sodium and chloride. Sodium binds to the water in your body and maintains fluid in your body cells both inside and outside. If you often consume salty meals like processed foods, your body will retain water because these foods are the primary dietary sources of sodium. The most general advice for alleviating water retention is to reduce sodium intake. Several studies by the National Institute of Health show that too much sodium intake leads to increased fluid retention. Therefore, it would be best to cut processed foods, salty foods, or added raw salt from your diet to ease your symptoms. Number 2. Increase your magnesium intake. Magnesium is a vital mineral that involves over 300 enzymatic reactions that foster the proper functioning of the body. Moreover, consuming more magnesium helps reduce fluid retention. Most women with premenstrual symptoms experience bloating because of fluid retention, and supplementation with 200 milligrams of magnesium reduces discomfort. Excellent sources of magnesium include whole grains, nuts, dark chocolate, and green vegetables. Besides, magnesium is also available as a supplement, and you can find the supplements at your local pharmacy. Number 3. Dandelion. Dandelion, Taraxacum officinale, has been used as a natural diuretic in traditional medicine for a long time. Natural diuretics help reduce edema by increasing urine frequency. According to a PubMed.gov study, 17 people were put on doses of dandelion leaf extract 3 times a day. They monitored their fluid input and output the following days and observed an increase in urine production. Although the study didn't have a control group, the results revealed that dandelion extract is a potent diuretic. What's more, dandelions also have several other potential benefits. You can buy the extract from a pharmacy or drink dandelion tea. Number 4. How about increasing your vitamin B intake? Vitamin B6 is a water-soluble vitamin with diuretic effects. If you've noticed increased urination after taking vitamin B complex supplements, this is the reason behind it. Moreover, they form red blood cells and serve many functions in your body. Vitamin B6 has been confirmed to reduce fluid retention in women with premenstrual syndrome, PMS. Examples of foods with vitamin B6 include potatoes, bananas, walnuts, turkey, oats, brown rice, and meat. You can also buy vitamin B6 supplements online or at your local pharmacy. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 5. Consume more potassium-rich foods. Potassium has several functions in your body. For example, it sends the electrical signals that keep your body running. It's also beneficial to heart health. Potassium decreases fluid retention in two different ways, by lowering sodium levels and promoting urine production. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, excellent sources of potassium include sweet potatoes, bananas, lentils, cherries, avocados, meats, and tomatoes. Incorporate these foods into your daily diet for the best results. Number 6. Be active. As simple as it sounds, regular exercise, like walking, will get the muscles in your legs pumping, encouraging circulation around the body. If you're always sitting the most part of your day, ensure you get up and move every 1 hour. If you're on a long-haul flight, then get up and walk around the plane. While you're in your seat, circle your feet and ankles to boost circulation. Standing for extended periods can cause swelling too. Try moving around intermittently to boost circulation. Number 7. Avoid refined carbohydrates. You heard that right. When you consume refined carbohydrates, your body stores them in the liver as glycogen, which attracts water. On the other hand, when you eat sugary carbohydrates, your insulin levels spike and signal the kidneys to absorb sodium, retaining fluid. Cut refined carbohydrates from your diet and replace them with nutrient-dense foods to improve your health. Fluid retention is common in overweight people, and so eating healthy will keep your weight in check. Number 8. Drink more water. Sounds strange, right? However, it works. Drinking tons of water is the simplest way to reduce fluid retention. But the reason why it works is that it prevents you from being dehydrated. Dehydration sets in when you lose more water than you take in. When that happens, your kidneys preserve what's left by absorbing water from urine, causing puffiness. So, drinking enough water is key in alleviating fluid retention. However, your body size and activity level determine the amount of water you need. Number 9. Include natural diuretics into your diet. Natural diuretics remove excess water and sodium by encouraging your kidneys to produce more urine to expel toxins. You can also add herbal tea to your daily diet to reduce the effects of edema. Moreover, certain vegetables like beetroot, asparagus, beans, pumpkin, spinach, and garlic act as natural diuretics. These vegetables are also rich in potassium, which is an essential mineral in eliminating excess water. Number 10. Eat yogurt. Do you know that lack of protein in your blood causes fluid retention? Protein holds salt and water in your blood vessels to prevent fluid from leaking into your tissues. When albumin, blood protein, reduces, fluid retention occurs and your extremities become swollen. Since yogurt is an incredible source of protein, it can offer you a healthy boost. What's more, it's high in potassium. While all yogurts are high in protein, Greek yogurt has the highest content. Other protein-rich foods include cottage cheese, milk, egg whites, tofu, and fish. Bottom line, simple dietary changes can help reduce water retention. For starters, try consuming less salt by reducing processed foods. Also, consume foods rich in potassium, vitamin B6, and magnesium. Taking dandelion tea or supplement can also do the trick. Nonetheless, if fluid retention persists or causes health problems, please see your doctor for further treatment. Which of these home remedies for water retention do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.